Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Stickman and today, we're tackling one of life's big questions. How do you get a personality? Spoiler alert, it's way easier than you think. And yes, we're going to have some fun with it. Let's dive in. Getting a personality isn't rocket science. In fact, it's so easy that even 5-year-old you managed it. Back then, your entire personality could be summed up as that kid who knows too many frog facts and cheats at Connect 4. But somewhere along the way, life got complicated, and now, when someone asks about your hobbies, your brain does that thing where it freezes like an old computer. Sound familiar? Here's the thing, having a personality isn't about being the loudest person in the room or having 100 hobbies. It's about being memorable, having something unique that people associate with you. And no, just be yourself isn't the magical solution people make it out to be. That advice works great for extroverts who can charm their way through life. But for the rest of us mere mortals, there's a much easier method. Step 1. Pick anything that you find interesting. It doesn't need to be cool or impressive. Let's say you're into, I don't know, cleaning. Yes, cleaning. You start watching videos about cleaning hacks, maybe read up on pressure washing, and soon you know more about cleaning than 99% of people on Earth. Congratulations, you're officially the cleaning guru. The next time someone asks, what do you do for fun? You can say, oh, I'm really into cleaning. They'll look curious and ask, like what? And that's your moment to shine. You can hit them with, want to know the truth about robot vacuums? Or I've got this pressure washer, and it's insanely satisfying to clean driveways. Boom. Suddenly, you're the most interesting person at the party. Step 2. Gain some experience. Whatever your thing is, dive a little deeper into it. You don't have to become a world-class expert, just learn more than the average person. Whether it's cooking, gaming, or even houseplants, the goal is to know enough to confidently talk about it. Trust me, people love niche knowledge. Step 3. Learn how to talk about it in a way that others can understand. If you're into something like Minecraft, don't dive straight into how I beat the game without touching the ground. Start with, Minecraft is this sandbox game where you can build literally anything. I've been playing it for years, and recently, I challenged myself to beat the game in a really unique way. You've just turned a niche hobby into a captivating story. Fun fact, this strategy works for literally anything. I once met someone who was super into competitive knitting. At first, I was like, wait, what? But then they explained how they knit scarves at lightning speed for charity competitions, and I couldn't stop listening. It wasn't the knitting, it was their passion and how they told the story. Also, your thing doesn't have to define you forever. Maybe you're the cleaning guru today, but next year, you're into urban gardening or making artisanal donuts. The key is to stay curious and keep learning. Every new hobby is a chance to reinvent yourself and add another layer to your personality. At the end of the day, having a personality isn't about being perfect or knowing everything, it's about sharing what excites you and connecting with others. So pick a thing, run with it, and don't overthink it. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's practically begging for attention. See you in the next video.